Alright guys, today I'm going to be taking the axles out on this car to rebuild them. The axles are in bad shape, or the boots I should say. So I'm going to be taking those out. The car's a little bit on the incline, but the parking brake is set. And all the chocks here on this side as well. So everything's good. I just need to take out the axles so I can rebuild them. Yeah. This nut already loosened that. It's a 32 millimeter 12-point socket I have to use for that. And then for the inner bolts, you have to use the Torx socket. One of them is out. I have to lower the exhaust on this side to slide that thing out between the exhaust and the diff that way. Got this one out. This one's rusty right here, so I have to pound this thing out a little. I'm gonna lube it up with the W140 now. Okay guys, this is the situation with CV axles. 3 out of 4 CV boots are broken. And I need to start cleaning everything here, all the bolts. This is the condition of the bolts. And this is the exhaust bracket, and I'll be cleaning as well, mine as well, since I'm already. First we take this cap off. Here's a snap ring right there, you have to take that off, and then this joint will slide off. And then we're gonna work on this as well. This is the original boot from 1997. Got everything cleaned up right here nicely. I'm gonna start assembling it. Okay guys, so this is the final look of these axles that I rebuilt. As you can see, that's what they look like. Brand new boots, brand new clamps, a lot of grease inside. And yeah, this one I just finished painting. This one I'm about to peel this tape, masking tape, and then we'll be ready to install this on the car. Okay, I'm about to install the axles back in, and another thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and put grease on the splines of the axles, because one of the axles was actually surprisingly kind of rusted in, even though not really supposed to, right? But still, even cars here can rust. So yeah, I put grease right there, and we're ready to install this. Also cleaned up the bolts and painted these brackets. There are 4 of them. Where's the ball? There's the ball. All right. Come on. Do it. Oh. Yeah, we definitely need more air in that ball. Kobe, Kobe. Oh. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. What is that? Apple jam? Apple jam is good.